Welcome back to our English learning podcast. I'm so happy to have you here today. In this episode, we'll talk about 5 practical ways to improve your English speaking skills. Speaking English confidently takes time, but with regular practice, you will see great improvement. Let's get started. 1, practice speaking every day. The best way to improve your speaking skills is by speaking every day. Don't worry if you don't have a partner. Just talk to yourself. Describe what you see around you. Particularly talk about your daily routine. Read aloud from books, articles, or even your favorite TV show subtitles. Speaking out loud helps improve pronunciation and confidence. Try it today. You can also record yourself speaking and listen back to find areas for improvement. Compare your pronunciation with native speakers and adjust accordingly. Another great method is to narrate your actions throughout the day. For example, when you wake up, say, I'm getting out of bed now, I'm brushing my teeth. This might feel strange at first, but it's a fantastic way to immerse yourself in English. 0.2. Think in English. One common mistake learners make is translating from their native language. Instead, try to think in English. Start with simple thoughts like, I need to buy some milk. When walking outside, name objects in English. Try forming sentences in your head before saying them out loud. The more you practice thinking in English, the more natural it will feel. If you struggle with this, try keeping an English thought journal. Every night, write a few sentences about your day, what you did, what you saw, how you felt. Over time, this will train your brain to think in English more naturally. Another way to think in English is to use internal dialogue. Imagine having conversations in English in your head. For example, if you're waiting in line at a coffee shop, think about what you might say, I'll have a cappuccino, please. Practicing these small conversations will prepare you for real interactions. 3. Listen and repeat. Listening to native speakers is one of the best ways to learn natural pronunciation and intonation. Watch movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos in English. Try shadowing. Listen to a sentence and repeat it at the same time as the speaker. Pay attention to the rhythm and tone of the sentences. This method will help you sound more natural when speaking English. Additionally, using audiobooks and podcasts can be extremely helpful. Listen to an audiobook in English while following along with the text to understand pronunciation and sentence structure. If you want to take it a step further, find a speech or dialogue that you like and memorize it. Repeat it daily until you can say it smoothly. This will help you develop fluency and improve your accent over time. 4, use common phrases and expressions. Memorizing full sentences instead of individual words will make speaking easier. Here are some useful phrases. How's it going? How are you? I see what you mean. Let me think about it. We need time to answer. Learning these phrases will help you speak more fluently in real conversations. You can also make flashcards with useful phrases and practice them daily. The more familiar you become with these expressions, the easier it will be to use them naturally. Another tip is to imitate native speakers. Pay attention to how they speak, their tone, and their choice of words. Try to copy their way of speaking, as this will help you sound more natural. 5, find a speaking partner. Practicing with others is essential to improving your fluency. Here's how you can find a partner. Join an online language exchange program. Speak with friends or colleagues in English. Use social media to connect with English learners. If you don't have someone to practice with, consider talking to AI voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. You can ask them questions and listen to their responses, which is a great way to simulate a conversation. You can also join English conversation clubs or participate in online forums where people practice speaking. The key is to find ways to use English as often as possible. Remember, don't be afraid of mistakes. Making mistakes is part of the learning process. Every time you speak, you are improving. So keep going. Final thoughts. Improving your English speaking skills takes time, but if you practice every day, Think in English, listen and repeat, learn useful phrases, and find a speaking partner, you will make great progress. Try one of these tips today and see how much you improve. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode. Have a great day and happy learning.